outstanding intervention that is innovative and directly aligned with our national aspiration towards creating a digital superhighway and a robust digital economy as primary pillars of the bottom-up economic transformation agenda. As a global innovation powerhouse, Iran has made significant progress in the development and deployment of modern technologies in key industries such as agriculture, manufacturing, and telecommunication. I have therefore invited wider and deeper collaboration in these and other critical sectors in the interest of our shared socio-economic development objectives. Similarly, His Excellency the President and I noted that Iran is already an important partner in Kenya's health services sector and maintains 2 health centers in Nairobi to actualize the universal health objective of our administration, which is a critical pillar of our agenda. We continue to invite and learn from the expertise of countries like Iran, which has achieved a great degree of advancement in medicine and modern medical technology. I have also expressed our commitment to His Excellency that in this year's budget, we have eliminated taxes on the manufacture of medical equipment and pharmaceutical products, and Iran should take advantage of that opportunity and set up industry in Kenya. The blue economy is one critical area where we can demonstrate the merits of our plan. To align the undeniable opportunities in the blue economy, we must invest capital and technology where it creates more jobs, at the bottom of the economic pyramid. In the spirit to further enhance our bilateral relations, Iran has agreed to boost our exports and exploits and pursuits in the blue economy through research and technology. Iran is a maritime nation with strong fishing industry. On its part, Kenya has established a dedicated ministry to exclusively deal with the blue economy. I am very happy that this morning we have signed an MOU that will give us the necessary frame for us to tap into our blue economy resources that are underdeveloped in Kenya and benefit from the experience of our Iranian counterparts, because we have taken the decision that we will do more in the fishing area by exploiting our own resources rather than importing those resources from elsewhere. At the same time, I affirmed the government's steadfast commitment to fostering and protecting all investments in the country, both domestic and foreign, through the fair, consistent, and effective application of the rule of law. I have therefore reiterated to President Raisi that Kenya remains open and committed to receiving and hosting Iranian investors and business people and providing them with a conducive business atmosphere across the country. His Excellency President Raisi conveyed to me information that will be good news for stakeholders in our mechanical and automotive sector, including dealers, engineers, technicians, and other workers. Iran's intention to set up a motor vehicle assembly plant in Mombasa to manufacture an indigenous Iranian vehicle that has now been given the Kiswahili name Kifaru, meaning rhino. And I hope it will be a tough one, Your Excellency. I am confident that the project is unstoppable, as this name suggests. This highly productive visit has been an excellent opportunity for us to renew and reaffirm the strong bonds of friendship and solidarity between the governments and people of Kenya and Iran. Today, President Raisi and I have witnessed the signing of 5 memoranda of understanding on cooperation in information, communication and technology, fisheries, animal health and livestock products, and investment promotion. This memoranda will enhance and further deepen our bilateral relations for sustainable growth and development between our two countries. Once again, Mr. President, I thank you for the tremendous honor for this visit and for the opportunity it has afforded us to undertake fruitful bilateral engagements. Kenya remains committed to advancing and enhancing further engagement with Iran, and our shared commitment to pursue the greater prosperity of our people, of our countries, and of our regions. Thank you very much. God bless Iran and God bless Kenya. Welcome, Your Excellency.
In the name of God, the compassionate, the merciful, God is glorified, and also peace be upon our prophet and our Lord and our Master and his chosen companions. But I'm very delighted that today, that in African continent and in the friendly country of Kenya, I'm here in this country and in Kenya, in the friendly country of Kenya, and here, and to the government and the people of Kenya, and all on the people of Africa, I would like to say hello and express my greetings, and also I would like to extend my hands to all the governments, to the governments of the African continent, and I would like to press their hands warmly, and also the cooperation of the Islamic Republic of Iran with African continent and with Kenya, which it has historical ties. Our relation with it dates back to, we believe that such relations between two nations of Iran and Kenya could be strengthened on a daily basis, day by day. African continent is a continent of capacities and opportunities. It has great capacities. There are great capacities in this continent. Our perspective in the Islamic Republic of Iran to Africa is the continent of countries with capacities, talented workforce, great spiritual and material deposit and resources, great natural resources and mineral resources as well. Our perspective toward Africa is our perspective toward our friendly country of Kenya is a view or perspective that this country it boasts great capacities, and we also share great capacities in our country. Exchanges of such capacities could contribute to enhancement of our bilateral relations. We with the blessing of the Islamic Republic and with the blessing of the blood of invaluable martyrs, and also with the blessing of the guidance of our learned supreme leader, our country, despite all the threats and sanctions of the adversaries, we have managed to register advances in different fields. And today, Iran, we should call Iran a technology based on advancing Islamic Iran in different fields. We have managed to overcome threats and sanctions, and also we have to upgrade our status in different fields, in different economy, science and technology fields, and we are ready to declare our readiness to share our experience with Kenya and it's the dear people of Kenya. We have a wealth of experience in the field of economy and science and technology. Today, in the field of petrochemical products, in agriculture, and also in science and technology, we have we have wealth of experience, which could be great candidates and nomination for cooperation. One is the health of all health and medical equipment could be fertile ground for cooperation in terms of pharmaceutical and medical equipment. We could have cooperation with each other in the field of agriculture and fisheries. We could establish reproductive cooperation in other fields of. The president has correctly pointed out, now noted in his speech, have cooperation in other business fields, and we really believe that our cooperation and will not be restricted to our own two countries. While the Islamic Republic is in relation with the Persian Gulf countries, with the Central Asian countries, Kenya has had relation with Eastern countries. It's not just a bilateral relations here. Also, there are grounds for relations.
Tugigicoka imwe kwa imwe kuma kuria mwena wa State House kuria president wa bũrũri witũ wa Kenya agikorwo agikiaria Icera ria president wa kuria mwena wa Iran kiria gitumite agioke na maundu maya tugukorwo tugigika na no maragithii na mbere na gukorwo makiria tondu ni gukorwo na uwithanio na unyitanu munene muno gatigati ga thirikari ya Kenya na thirikari ya Iran. Ithu tugicokereria guku thiini wa studio tugithii na mbere kwaria maundu matiganite no tugugutaririe twina ageni matugeneire thiini wa studio shitu aria makoragwo magigitongoria chama itiganite twina Macharia Muturi niwe organizing secretary kuria upande wa Ubak Sacco. Karibu sana.
Asante sana. Asante sana.
Ni gatho muno na tuko na Thomas